Let me start with the numbers because they matter. In 2026, about 1 in 6 employers say they expect to reduce headcount because of AI. The World Economic Forum's latest report projects that 85 million jobs will be displaced by AI and automation by 2030. But here's the part that gets buried in the headlines. 97 million new roles are projected to emerge in that same window. The problem is not that AI is destroying jobs. The problem is the transition gap. The jobs disappearing are happening fast. The new jobs forming require skills most people don't have yet. That gap is what this video is about. Let's go through the 10 jobs being replaced right now, and I mean right now, not in 5 years, today. Number 1, customer service representatives. 80% of customer service roles are projected to be fully automatable. This is already happening. Companies like Klarna replaced 700 customer service agents with a single AI that now handles 2.3 million conversations per year at 1/3 the cost. The AI handles returns, disputes, shipping questions, billing issues, all the high-volume, repetitive work that used to require a human on the phone. The AI doing it, Claude, ChatGPT, and custom fine-tuned models built on these foundations. What's surviving in this role? Complex escalations, emotional situations, high-value client relationships. The 15 an hour call center job is gone. The $70,000 enterprise client success manager job is not. Number 2, data entry and administrative assistance. This one is almost fully automated already. AI agents in 2026 can read documents, extract structured data, enter it into systems, flag discrepancies, and file everything, all without a human touching a keyboard. Tools like Make.com and Zapier with AI components handle this at scale. The job's surviving. Executive assistants who manage relationships, judgment calls, and strategic scheduling. Pure data entry, that market is almost gone. Number 3, paralegals. Studies now put paralegals at 80% automation risk by 2026. Contract review, legal research, document drafting. AI does all of it faster and more accurately than most junior legal staff. Law firms are already running 60-70% fewer junior paralegal hours than they were 2 years ago. The AI doing it, Harvey AI, Case Text, Westlaw AI, purpose-built legal models that pass the bar in multiple states. What's surviving? Courtroom presence, client relationships, complex litigation strategy, the document review paralegal, largely gone. Number 4, junior copywriters. This one hits close to home for a lot of people. AI can now produce first drafts that are indistinguishable from junior human copy for standard formats, product descriptions, email sequences, ad copy, SEO articles. The nuance: it cannot replace brand voice at the highest level, creative strategy, or culturally specific storytelling, but it has replaced the $35,000 a year junior copywriter at most content agencies. What's surviving? Senior brand strategists, creative directors, specialized subject matter experts who write with genuine authority. Number 5, entry-level financial analysts. Wall Street banks have announced plans to cut 200,000 jobs over the next 3 to 5 years. The first wave is already here. Goldman Sachs, JP Morgan, and Morgan Stanley are all running AI systems that generate the financial models, earnings summaries, and sector analyses that junior analysts used to produce. What's surviving? Senior analysts with proprietary insight, client-facing roles, and researchers who can identify what the AI is missing, which requires knowing the material deeply. Number 6, spec work graphic designers. If you're designing social media posts, generic logos, basic marketing collateral, or template-based work, AI image generators have largely taken that market. Midjourney, Adobe Firefly, and DALL-E 3 generate production-quality visuals in seconds for a fraction of what freelancers charged. What's surviving? Brand identity work, illustration with a distinct human style, motion graphics, interactive design. The higher the craft, the safer the role. Number 7, software QA testers. Manual testing, clicking through interfaces, writing basic test cases, running regression checks, is nearly fully automated in 2026. AI testing tools write their own test cases, identify failures, and report them with context. What's surviving? Security penetration testing, UX research, and complex system architecture testing that requires human judgment. Number 8, appointment schedulers. AI scheduling assistants like Calendly's AI layer, Motion, and custom GPT agents handle scheduling, rescheduling, reminders, and calendar optimization without human involvement. This entire job category is essentially gone at scale. Number 9, basic bookkeepers and entry-level accountants. AI accounting tools in 2026 can categorize transactions, reconcile accounts, flag anomalies, and generate financial statements. QuickBooks AI, Xero's AI layer, and specialized tools have replaced the person who used to do this manually. What's surviving? Tax strategy, audit work, CFO level financial planning. The data entry side of accounting is gone. Number 10, social media managers doing repetitive content. If your job was scheduling posts, writing basic captions, and pulling performance reports, AI does all of that now. Tools like Buffer with AI, Hootsuite AI, and custom GPT workflows handle the entire content calendar for most brands. What's surviving? Community management, brand crisis response, influencer strategy, and content with a distinct human creative perspective. So, what do you actually do with this information? The single biggest mistake I see people make is thinking this doesn't apply to them until it's too late. The second biggest mistake is panic, abandoning an entire career because one layer of it is being automated. Here's the pattern I see in every single one of these roles. The work that AI replaces is high volume, repetitive, and rule-based. The work that survives is judgment, relationship, and creativity at the highest level. So the move is not to run from AI. The move is to become the person who uses AI and does the judgment work that AI cannot. If you're a paralegal, learn how to use Harvey AI and position yourself as the person who supervises and directs it. If you're a copywriter, use AI to produce 10 first drafts in the time it took you to write one, then edit them to the standard AI can't reach. If you're a financial analyst, learn how to prompt the AI tools your firm is adopting and become the person who interprets what they produce. The people losing jobs to AI are the ones who are waiting for their employer to train them. The people winning are already training themselves. I put together a list of the 7 AI tools that are genuinely worth learning in 2026, the ones that show up on every hiring manager's radar right now. That's the next video. Subscribe so you don't miss it, and drop a comment below. What's your industry, and how are you seeing AI impact your role? I read every single one.